C10 is a large SUV with plenty of interior space and a solid and robust exterior design. With a length of 4,739 mm, a width of 1,900 mm, a height of 1,680 mm, and a wheelbase of 2,825 mm, the C10 satisfies every need with its comfortable and functional space. Furthermore, the ground clearance contributes to guaranteeing stability and safety on all kinds of terrain. Specifically, the front face of the vehicle has a balanced design, with automatic LED headlights and roof bars which enhance the vehicle's adventurous spirit. The three parallel waistlines on the sides, together with the black flush door handles and the shark fin antenna, provide a modern and aerodynamic touch to the design. Additionally, the rear wiper blade hidden under the spoiler and the sleek LED taillights add to the vehicle's technological and cutting-edge look. More specifically, the hood sets itself apart with its prominent and raised line, which not only adds visual power, but also plays a key role in protecting pedestrians. The dumbbell-shaped grille and the well-defined, protruding front bumper contribute to providing a sense of spaciousness and safety. Meanwhile, the sides feature three parallel lines which create a strong impression of strength and stability, and the shoulders sport rounded and full shapes, which evoke muscularity, with their sharp transitions adding to the sense of power. The entire design is further enhanced by the slightly squared wheel arches. The C10 is designed to meet and exceed the highest efficiency and performance standards thanks to its advanced electric powertrain solutions. Equipped with a 160 kW motor, 218 horsepower, and 320 Nm of torque, the vehicle offers outstanding acceleration stats, with the torque distribution guaranteeing high performance both at medium and high speeds, making it perfect for dynamic overtaking and handling. One of the key elements of the C10's powertrain is the energy recovery system, which includes both regenerative braking and the freewheeling function. The vehicle offers three driving modes to deal with various road conditions and driver preferences. Battery thermal temperature management ensures excellent performance with a system that intelligently manages the temperature of the battery pack, maintaining efficiency both in the charge and discharge phases. It should be pointed out that the C10 SUV has been developed using cell-to chassis technology, which integrates the battery cells into the structure of the vehicle. Lastly, as far as charging is concerned, the C10 is equipped with an 6 kW AC charger, which allows one to go from 30% to 80% battery capacity in around 1 hours. Meanwhile, for a faster charge, the DC system allows one to achieve the same result in just 30 minutes. The 69.9 kWh battery pack guarantees 420 km of WLTP range, making the C10 fit for long journeys and eco-friendly sustainability. The T03 is equipped with an electric powertrain which was developed by Leapmotor entirely on its own. The heart of the system is a 37.3 kWh battery which offers 265 km of range in the WLTP combined cycle and up to 395 km range in urban cycle. This system is managed by an Intelligent Battery Management System, BMS, which utilizes cloud technology to monitor the state of the battery in real time and to guarantee that it always operates within an optimal temperature range. Specifically, the electric motor develops a maximum power of 70 kilowatts, 95 CV, and a maximum torque of 158 Nm, which makes it incredibly efficient for everyday driving. Thanks to the lightness of the design, the integrated controller reduces the weight of the system by 28.8%, while increasing the use of space by 51.9%. Engine quietness is yet another point of pride for the vehicle, with noise levels remaining low at 76 dB. The model offers 3 driving modes, each of which has been designed to adapt to various driving conditions and driver preferences. More specifically, Eco Mode optimizes regenerative braking and provides smoother power response, which is ideal for maximizing efficiency. Sports Mode offers faster power response, with moderate regenerative braking. Lastly, Standard Mode offers a balance between the two, with its weak regenerative braking allowing the vehicle to move slowly after the accelerator is released. The steering system is just as versatile and also includes 3 distinct modes. Comfort Mode increases steering assistance, making the drive lighter and more comfortable. Sports Mode reduces steering power, offering more precise and dynamic control. And finally, Standard Mode is a compromise between the previous two and offers a balanced steering experience. The vehicle also features a front McPherson suspension and a rear roll and torsion bar in one combined system.